Looking good. Looking around the room, you've done a really good job in terms of formatting. This is what we're talking about now. This is formatting. So we actually haven't done any math yet. But what we have done is we've basically built the structure of the sheet. And already I can see there's a whole... Let's get a show of hands. Has anyone learnt anything in the last 10 minutes? Was it something you... Oh. And who taught you that? Stuart. Oh, you didn't bring your hand up. Cedric, who taught you what you learnt in the last 10 minutes?
You.
How? But I didn't. I didn't tell anyone anything. I told you what to go and do, but I didn't show anyone how to do anything. Either yourself figuring it out, or a friend. There's a reason why I have not told you to colour things in. We're going to be doing some computer magic in a little while, where we're going to get the computer to colour things in, depending on what the number is in the box. It's called conditional formatting. That means there'll be a certain condition, and depending on the condition, that means the number in the box, the colour will change. I'll explain that after, but we're not ready for that yet. So, this is the first step. Let me show you the next step. We've got this done. Say, sir, yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir.
Awesome. So now we're going to go to step 2. We're going to start doing some number magic. Up here, and teachers, if you use this sheet, what I've done to try and help you is I've put comments in. So if you see a little orange little triangle in the corner, that's a clue, because that's how you do commenting in a spreadsheet, same as in Excel. So this means I've got some extra information in here for you to make you a clue. So this, I've noticed some of you already started putting number values in, but we had this discussion before. You can't put the numbers in yourself. Cedric, stop drawing on the board. You can't put the $ in because the computer will say, I am not looking at that cell. It only wants to deal with numbers, not symbols. It doesn't like symbols. It uses them in a different way. So how am I going to tell the computer that any numbers I type in here are going to become dollars? Watch. I'm going to type in a number 7. I type in 0.30 because it's, say, 30 cents. When I press enter, the computer knows it's money. What did I do? I did something to this spreadsheet before I showed it to you. And I haven't shown you because I want you to tell me what you think you did. Because we did talk about this in Excel last week, and it's a similar kind of ability. Ivor. It's okay, you can say I don't know, or you can say you have a guess.
Either in the order currency.
So what is it you're trying to say? Because currency is the right word. We're trying to tell the computer that the numbers in here are... What's the word you just... That we're saying the numbers in here, Alessandro, stand up and move. Clearly you can't say to anybody. Move over there. Far away, that's it. That's it. Right over there, and stand up and watch them over there. I want an intelligent answer from you in the next 5 minutes, so pay attention. So you're telling the computer that these cells contain currency, which is a great word. Stuart. What are you talking about? Buttons. Okay, I know, ideally, and teachers, if I had an IWB here, what I would probably get him to do is come up, grab the pen, and click on it, but I don't. So I'm going to have to become a human interactive whiteboard. Okay, now it's a bit dim, so maybe you can't see. That is, well done Mr. Smarty Pants, that is a dollar symbol. And when you put your mouse over it, it actually gives you a little clue. It says, format as using Ivor's awesome word, currency. Ivor, for the benefit of the class, what does that mean? Currency?
Like the money in a certain country.
Fancy pants. Okay. Who knew that already? Yeah, sure you did. So, so we're almost there. How do I then tell the spreadsheet that are all the cells going to be currency? No, they're not, because in here I'm going to be writing things like biscuits, string, bogies, sellotape, whatever it is, whatever you use for your bits and pieces. This is going to be writing. It's not going to be money. This is going to be money. How do I tell it that that's money? Isha. Isha. Isha, where are you? How do I tell it that it's money? The term I'm going to share with you is select to effect. It's a big rule in computing. Whenever you're on any piece of software and you want to do something, select it first. Otherwise the computer's going, dude, what? Change what? At the moment I've selected these cells. Are they the ones I want to affect? So I need to select to affect. Isha, what do I need to select? Which cells? All of these?
No, the one under cost.
So I'd select the ones, you can always change your mind later, but I'm going to say that all of these cells, all of these cells are going to contain money, currency. So I select, and now how do I tell it that I want this to be money? How about Lauren? Who's Lauren? Okay. Alessandro, now's your chance.
You have to choose a column.
I've chosen these cells. So how do I tell the computer this is money?
You have to twist that in the video.
Okay, smarty pants. Which button? This one?
No, the one.
This one?
No. Currency button.
This one?
Yeah.
Ta-da! And then it becomes currency, and you can type in numbers, and they automatically turn into money. So the next step, boys and girls, I need you to go to your computer and tell the spreadsheet which of the cells are going to contain money, and then we'll look at the next step in about 5 minutes. It's just a small step, and then we'll come back here. So this is a very quick thing. So I'll give you 5 minutes max. Go and do that. What I want you to do is try and be a step ahead of the kids. So you're the student. So you need to go in, open the spreadsheet I've shared with you, and see if you can do what I've just said. Can you make it numbers? Can you add up those numbers at the bottom? And then hopefully when the kids start doing it, you'll do it again. We're gonna, now you may